but we are not going to divert.
Turyamureba niwe yayanjura ngu akacikwa kakura ka district yakubari kweta District Executive Committee kakashitama kashara mungu sente zireke kombe kazatanko mugomborero ya Butanda bitu zitwarwe omugomborero ya Kibuga. Kansara Turyamureba yagira ngo sente ziri kwingana miliyoni 155 nezabire zitirwe akombe kamezi ga rukururu omugomborero ya Butanda rero gakija kwemerezebwa hanyuma yo kushangwa ngo sente zikabane zenda kukozesebwa kubi. Patience Harinta akemerezebwa hamuri mugwe echa bamwe bari kugira ngo kikarugirira kujemera bakuru ubwa yanga kuta sente zo kombe kamezi omuri kisibo. Eki nico cyayisaba Kansare Kiniga batyo bakange byarugo mu report abagumize ngo amezi nigatekwa kombe ko muri Butanda. Ba Kansara bajumirira kacikwa kakura ka district abo kurabya meisho ombushoborozi bwa kanso yona.
In a manner that Butanda should get that project so that money, before that money goes back to where? Treasury. So we have to be guided by CAO, because the CAO, I am acutely aware that you are very well protected by the district, the council.
Let us do tanks. So if tanks are not possible, Madam Speaker, I beg, let us do the gravity flow scheme in Butanda, because Butanda people knew that this water is going there, and according to percentages.
We are disappointed by the deck itself and the head of the technical people here at the district of government.
Someone is making recommendations or resolutions on behalf of the council. In the long run, we are going to find ourselves that we may be forced to sell this land when we actually do not make a resolution as council.
Echi cyatuma uri mukuru w'abakozi mu district John Asimwe kushome baroha eri kugambwa kubanerwa mu kitongore cy'amezi nebyo buhangwa eri ko bushoborozi ngo amezi aga Butanda kugombekwa omuri kisibo omugomborora ya Butanda.
But I cannot commit myself that by 30 I am sure the value. I'm going to consult the head of the department with the board controller and the CFO, and we see how to implement this decision. But I am sure, and we
aho no ba Kansara batarikira Asimwe kwa shoborora yaba niwe yamanyise aba ministry ngo kisiboneye tagamizi kusinga Butanda. Ba Kansara bagaruka bamubuza ngo ayoreke ebarohe yahandikire kandi ashoborore we amani go gukora bikanso itari kwenda kagiyankahe konka Asimwe omukugarukamu yagira ngo akatunga obuhabuzi kuruga hari mukuru wa Mizo mu district mukuru w'empanura z'uruciko ni rwe rumwe Flavia Nyinakiza Kanagizi yayikirizana na ba Kansara nikwe kuragira kwe sente ziguma Butanda kandi na za tanka zombe kweyo abwo kugira ngo egomborero ya Butanda eyine kizibu cha mizi munonga omu district.
To the person who wrote the what? The letter. It's not your junior. You must have consulted your junior to write. Now, because sometimes they draft the letters on behalf of the CAO. But we want to know who told the ministry that instead of Rukurura, the council have resolved to go to Karusanga. Someone must have informed them because they don't know our priorities. We have our 5-year development plan, yes. We have our annual budget, but then it is the priorities are seized by the council.
Omuruciko ni rwo rumwe ba Kansara bagaruka bajumbura ngugamwe amataka ga district gakibwa ecyatuma bahesharinga niko kushara mu kutayira amataka gabo gono rwa katano nikwe bagumize mu bahandikire President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni n'abanda bukikwasireho okutaho mu nshonga. Ba Kansara bagaruka bahinguze mbalira y'umwaka gw'ebyesento gwe 2020 2025-2026 izaba ziri kwingana ubuhumbi 57 miliyoni rushanju 29 emitwaro 49 na kakaga eza Uganda. Gasha kwa Jime Emmanuel abwa tayari West omuri Kigezi.